What is up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. Today we have a mail call from my buddy at 2A HD Cat, and we're gonna open up and see what he got us today, or shipped us in better words. Me and him have been contacting from email for the last couple of weeks, and he took some of my parts that I wanted and for a trade for some cars. So let's see what he sent me today. Okay, this box is gonna be pretty difficult to open. Jesus. So yeah, when you get a chance, go check out his video. His videos on his page. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Pardon my language. There it is. Okay. Is that it? I think that is it. Okay. So let's see what we got. Alright, so we got a Mod Rod N, made in England, 1971, from Lesney Matchbox. It's pretty sweet. Nice little car. I like this. I've never seen this before, so definitely can make something cool out of that. We have another Matchbox. Let's see what it says. This is a Trail Tracker, 2013, from Medel Matchbox. Ooh, now this is cool. I've never seen one of these before. This is a Fire Chief from Matchbox again, a super fast edition. Kind of beat up. It looks like that. I can't tell if it was painted over at one point, but this is sweet. I've never seen this before. From 1976. We can make something cool out of that. And then we have a Matchbox 2015 Medel, made in Thailand, and it's a Range Rover. Kind of new. Actually, it's very new, but I can make something work out of this, so that's pretty cool. Okay, is there anything else? Okay, no. So, again, to a HD Cat, thanks again, man, for the cars. I appreciate it. And everyone out there, go check him out. He makes some cool cars. His description will be in the below. Thank you guys for coming, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.